What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So it's been a while since our last video, and today we have another video featuring the E46. Today we're going to be installing a brand new sound system. Alright, so the speakers went out on the car, so what a better excuse than to, give yourself to go buy a brand new sound system. Thank you to Bavsound for sponsoring this video. Haha, we're just kidding, we wish. But we did end up going with this Bavsound, which is roughly like around $500 or something. So we're going to go ahead and install that today. So we're going to be installing a total of 8 speakers. This is not a tutorial, by the way, so just a heads up. Bavsound does claim that these are better than the Harman and Kardon ones, so we'll see. We'll give you guys an honest review. And then if you guys seen the previous video, it is paired with the Eon center unit. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started with the door panels first, start in the front. We're just going to go ahead and do a time lapse, and we'll check in with you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so we just finished installing the front two on both sides. I already went ahead and removed the rear, which was, it wasn't tough. There's a couple screws. It's just really hot in there, that's all. But we're waiting for the mid-range speakers. What are they called?
Tweeters.
The ones that go right here, like right in the center, is like two little ones.
Tweeters, that's what they're called.
So those go screwed on into the door, and he has them over there drying. Make sure I went ahead and transferred the little mechanism onto the new ones. So we're just waiting for those to dry.
What's drying?
Oh, the glue.
You're acting like we washed them.
We're waiting for them to dry. I know. We had to glue them on, so the glue is drying, not the speakers. The speakers aren't wet, but whatever. We'll go ahead and put on the rear for now, and then we'll get to those in a second. Alright, let's see how good it is.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
It's not bad. It's loud and clear. It's clear.
No, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So with that song, we can hear the voice very clearly. You can hear everything clearly, all the notes. So let's put something with some bass and see what the bass sounds like. Okay. Sorry, so we're gonna go ahead and listen to a song that we want to listen to, that can actually, that we can actually, how do I say it?
Get an idea.
Yeah, a song that we play on the regular, that we listen to all the time, and we'll see if we can tell the difference. But we're not gonna record that, and you guys probably can't even hear it anyways, just because. I'm sure the camera doesn't pick up the sound.
Oh, it looks like I have a little cap.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and listen to that, mess with the settings a little bit, and then we'll give you a better review. All right, guys. So we went ahead and we played a couple songs. I have the seat leaned back all the way just so I can hear the sound from the center, right in the middle. But for the most part, it sounds really, really crisp. Hopefully the camera picks up most of it. If not, I mean the phone did. The phone picked it up. Yeah, I recorded on the phone and you can hear it. But I guess you'll just have to take my word for it that it sounds good.
Yeah, it sounds really good.
It sounds really, really clear.
You can go really loud. You can go like almost the max, and it sounds clear.
Without sacrificing any of the crisp.
Yeah, the voices.
Yeah,
everything.
It doesn't sound like a Honda Civic. You know which Honda Civic I'm talking about. The 1998 Civic that drives by your house in the middle of the night. But yeah, for the price point of what, $500?
$500.
For this car.
And they give you 3 months.
Yeah, and then they claim you get 3 months to test it out. See if you like it or not.
If you don't like it, you return it. And that's pretty much it.
Before we wrap up the video, we did order some new
headlight bulbs
for the car.
Yeah,
we're gonna go ahead and install those just because they're a little dim.
They're burnt out. One of them is burnt out.
One's burnt out, so there you go. Another reason to buy some replacements, some upgraded ones. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. So it already comes with the factory. You said HIDs.
HIDs, yeah. So I had bought some already, and they look like this.
See, that's why you wear the goggles.
Okay. Well, these are for the fog lights down there. But anyway, they didn't fit because it's not HIDs. They were like the H7, kind of like the 2 prongs at the end. So once I took it off, I realized that it has to be the HID ones, which has like this entry right here, which is all kind of weird. But you know, BMW has to be complicated. So I don't want to remove the headlight, so I'm gonna try to do it like this.
Nah, good luck, buddy.
Yeah, we'll see.
You got to remove the whole subframe to install those.
I know. Which I already did, too. I replaced the oil.
That's right, oil pan gasket.
Oil pan gasket, I replaced it. And it was leaking coolant under the intake manifold, so I replaced that one too.
So we brought this.
And now the heater's working, which doesn't matter because it's summertime.
So you brought a 20-year-old car back to new.
Yeah, kinda. And now with the sound system, I get really excited to go and drive.
Even with these gas prices.
Drive around the corner. Okay, so here it is.
Alright. So you can tell it's burnt out. You see it's a little, I don't know if you can see it on the camera.
It's a little
just black.
Yeah, it picks it up. It's a little smoked. Yeah, right in the center.
Yeah. Alright, so very important. Do not touch this with your hands. Most of you know why, but if you don't, the oils on your fingers, once it gets hot, it burns it out really quickly.
So you're wearing glasses, but you're not wearing gloves. Like, is that a joke? Is the goggles a joke?
Safety first. I don't want to get demonetized.
This too.
I don't want to touch it. But I don't know how it goes. It goes something like this. Watch I drop it. Alright, I think that's it right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and put it in.
That's what she said.
You didn't say it.
Okay, does that go in there or is that just for... I feel like that goes in there, no? Oh, I see.
Now
This
what?
guy, what are you doing?
I don't know. It's my first time being cameraman.
You don't do anything around here. So this one, it looks like it might go here. I might be tripping, but it just looks right. So
Yeah, we'll figure this out.
there you go. I'm sure it goes like that. There's no way.
Maybe it's just there for packaging reasons. I don't know.
No, I don't think so. I was about to grab it. Oh man.
Genius.
Do as I say, not as I do. Okay, let's put it in.
Yeah, look at him, but listen to me, or whatever.
Is that in? I can't tell.
Alright, so it looks like that stupid white thingy on there was actually not supposed to go on there.
Well, it wasn't even that. It looks like all these little slits right here, they have to go inside somewhere. So put the bulb first, and then put the housing that clicks it on, and then obviously connect it. But that has to go in first. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty easy. It's not that bad. Let's go ahead and do that side, and then we'll check and see how bright they are. Because they're supposed to be brighter than the OEM ones. Especially because it's HID, so then we can go test it out and play some music.
Yeah, and there you go. Alright, looks like the left side is in.
This time around, it was a little bit easier.
Mainly because I already knew what I was doing. I gotta put this boot back in.
Alright, so we turn off the lights. The first thing that turns on is the halos. Turn the lights back on. If you guys can see that, no, maybe. So that's just the halos.
Nice.
I mean,
It's white. Mine were yellow.
oh yeah?
Yeah.
So these are more like 5K daylights or whatever?
Yeah, these are hella bright. Holy cow.
I mean, I guess you guys won't know because you guys didn't see the before, and I'm sure it's hard to pick it up on camera. But yeah, I mean, I guess they're brighter.
They are brighter.
And not just that, I mean, they kind of had to be replaced because they weren't working.
Yeah. We'll take it for a drive and see how bright it is.
Okay.
Alright. Pause it.
Okay, so the headlights look good, but that's pretty much gonna wrap up this video. Overall, the Bavsound, it was great. Installation was super easy, so give that 10 out of 10.
We put it all the way up to 30.
Yeah, the sound was amazing, so give that 11 out of 10. But I don't want to overhype it up because I want you guys to buy it and then you're disappointed.
Yeah.
But it sounds really, really good.
It sounds better than the stock one.
Yeah, I mean, the fact that I can have the volume all the way up and nothing is distorted,
Nothing.
that's awesome. But I mean, that's it. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.